It's a glimmer through the darkness.
What we saw is people learning new ways to find strength, new ways to find hope, and new ways to find help.
Oregon is one of 7 states to see lower suicide rates in 2020, and early data show 2021 is on the same track for even lower rates.
This is incredibly important because it means that Oregon will see a 3-year decreasing trend in youth suicide, and that has to matter and it has to be celebrated.
Jill Baker with the Oregon Health Authority thinks awareness and lower stigma around mental health made a difference.
Mental health has been talked about in all places and spaces, and so there's something protective about knowing that you can say, I'm not okay.
While Oregon is headed in the right direction, the state's suicide rate is still above the national average.
We're not done.
OHA works with other groups like Matchstick Consulting to prevent suicide in Oregon.
Matchstick Consulting helps to implement Sources of Strength statewide.
Sources of Strength is a suicide prevention program in schools. It trains peer leaders to help other students.
They represent it by race and ethnicity and gender and sexual orientation, class, but also social diversity.
Experts say those students can relate and reach their peers better than anyone else, directing them to support resources. The program has trained more than 600 youth across 35 Oregon schools in 15 counties.
We know for suicide prevention programming to be effective among young people have to be at the table.
In the dark fight against mental health crisis and suicide, each new group on board offers a light.
We feel really encouraged that we're headed in the right direction, in a better direction, and that has to do with a lot of really hard work from a lot of really amazing people.
We'll have more information about the resources on our website, kgw.com.
Such important work, and as you said, lots more to do. Christelle, thank you. This is also the suicide prevention hotline if you need it. That's 1-800-273-8255. And as Christelle said, we've linked many more resources on kgw.com.